So the festive season is coming soon, and my inspiration for today was a smoked salmon arugula salad. So this is basically a quick and easy salad that you can do and whip up in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna first start off by getting our salad base. So it's just boom. As you can see, it's such a quick process. And not only do you have to use these, you can use any salad packs that you can find. Just make it creative and wow. Look at the amazing colors that come through. They're so amazing. Now we're going to just take our cherry tomatoes and half them. This is just for me, as I like to see the pips. You can have them whole in your salad, half them, however you like them. So now that we have that there, let's start with some feta. Strategically placing them at different corners to light the salad up. Looks like a mini Christmas tree happening here. Now it's time for our pipped olives, which I also like to cut in half to expose the centers. As you can see, it gives it a nice contrast. Add in some pepper juice just to bring it out a bit more. Now it's time for some melon balls. The reason I put this is because we come to the festive period. There's a lot of tropical fruit that's out, so why not incorporate it into your salads as well? Have a sweet and a sour kind of vibe going on here. Now it's time to do some smoked salmon roses. So it's just basically oak-wood smoked salmon, which I'm then gonna slice in half and then roll it up into mini roses. So just throw it out a bit. There you have your roses. And our salad's going to be good to go.
Akil.
How you doing, Chef?
Good and you? Ho, 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 eh?
Yeah.
Festive season, eh?
Just the time to be jolly.
Absolutely. To me, it's one of my favorite times. Lots
Food
of
galore.
friends, family, yeah, good food and good wine. Nothing wrong with that, eh?
Yes, Chef.
Akil, I see you using a bit of salmon.
Yes, Chef. I decided to go out of my comfort zone and start using raw fish instead of cooked fish.
Okay. Another question.
Yes, Chef.
When I look at this beautiful salad, obviously fresh ingredients are key.
Yes,
but
definitely.
Without a dressing, you don't have a complete salad. Do you agree?
Agree, Chef. And that's why I got my secret formula right here.
Okay, you're going to tell us what's inside?
Yes. I did a bit of infusion with some fresh lemon juice in it, and I stirred in some fresh cumin seeds.
Oh, awesome.
Give it a different kind of vibe going on.
So it's got that buttermilk, creamy flavor taste with a slight acidic.
So it's going to be, it'll give it a nice kind of flavor going through the salad. As you can see, the various different components. You got some sweet, you got some sour. It's an all-in-one.
Nice glass of Chardonnay would go beautiful with that.
Perfect, Chef.
Lovely summer lunch.
And this is not only a side. I mean, some people have this for a main.
Yeah, absolutely.
And now for the final touch, Chef. The one you've been waiting for. As you can see, it's so nice and thick and creamy and rich.
Beautiful.
Look at that. There you have it, Chef.
Awesome, well done.
Our smoked salmon arugula salad.
Hey, it looks great. Let's taste it.
Let's do this.
Come on.
I'm ready when you are.